Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing mixed media art. I am a guest DT for Crafter Logger. On this wooden base, Saiba will be there to post all the materials which are being used. She'll be sharing the link of all the materials used in this video. This is a wooden base. On this wooden base I have already done gesso and kept. They have came up with their own black and white gesso, so you can directly ask for the link and Saiba will be there to post all the links and all the materials are available with her. So we'll be starting. I have already kept my heat gun to start and I have kept flowers and this lace, these are cords, cotton cords. I've kept ready with few of the embellishments and I'll show you how to do few gesso to few of the stuff. I've kept ready so that time is not wasted. These are the few wooden embellishments. These are clay embellishments. Is the video clear? This I will be coloring it and showing you. Some are wooden embellishments. These are fabric flowers. These are fabric flowers. These are cotton cords. These are clay molds. This everything has been available with Saiba. She has all the materials. First thing I'll be doing is I'll just do the gesso part and I'll keep so that it dries and the time is not wasted. I have just taken black gesso and I'm just doing it. This way it reduces your work pressure and your article is ready in no time. You have to do the gesso on all the sides. You have to be careful while you are doing fabric flowers because you can't dry it much. So ज़्यादा थिक लेयर लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इसमें आप कोई भी कलर के फ्लावर्स यूज़ कर सकते हो. इवन पेपर फ्लावर्स भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. नाउ इज द वीडियो क्लियर? जब आप जेसो करते हो तब आपको ध्यान देना है कि सारे एरियाज में आपका कलर जेसो लगे प्रॉपरली, बिकॉज जब आपका जेसो प्रॉपरली लगा हुआ होगा तो कलर बहुत अच्छे से दिखेगा. आप इसमें ब्लैक जेसो यूज़ करते हो. यू कैन इवन यूज़ ब्लैक चॉक पेंट्स. इफ़ यू नोटिस मैं बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स के सारे पेटल्स पर कलर चॉक जेसो लगा रही हूँ. Crafter Logger sells Sakura clay, even molds. She even sells this type of ready embellishments also. जब आप फैब्रिक फ्लावर्स और पेपर फ्लावर्स को कलर करते हो तो यू हैव टू सी टू इट दैट इसको आप नेचुरल ड्राइंग पे रख दो, बिकॉज अगर आपने हीट सेट किया है तो इट वुड बी अ प्रॉब्लमेटिक थिंग, बिकॉज बहुत टाइम ऐसे होता है कि फैब्रिक स्टार्ट्स टू बर्न बिकॉज हीट टूल की हीट काफ़ी हैवी होती है. Gesso is used to prime the bases or the clay or anything जिसके ऊपर कलर आप डायरेक्टली यूज़ कर सकते हो, and it gives a very nice effect. And Gesso works as a primer. Crafter Logger is having black gesso Gesso comes in black and white. These are the two colors for gesso. Gesso is used in all the arts. So now what we'll be doing is, मैंने इसको जैसे gesso मार के रखा हुआ है. Stenciling. Here I am using a brick stencil. I am using Craftologer's chalk paint. It is very thick and creamy. I am just randomly doing the stenciling part. मैं सब all over नहीं लगा रही हूँ, मैं randomly कहीं कहीं लगा रही हूँ. It is just to give this effects in the background. Are you able to see? Craftologer also has a wide range of stencils. If you notice, I am using my stencil in some particular specula in some particular manner, so that my texture paste is not being wasted and it gives a very nice effect, and it is used very less. If you give बहुत थिक कोट दोगे तो आपका टेक्सचर इफेक्ट बहुत अच्छा नहीं आएगा, एंड बबल्स भी इसमें होंगे व्हेन यू हीट सेट इट. जैसे मैंने ये कर दिया, आई विल बी बर्निशिंग इट. जैसे मैं इसको स्क्रैप ऑफ कर रही हूँ so that एक मार्क नहीं रहता. This is one of the technique when you do mixed media. You can use this technique so that it gives a very nice look. See, it gives you a look जहाँ incomplete कुछ नहीं लगता. यही चीज़ को आप स्क्रैप ऑफ करके एक्सटेंड कर दो so that ऐसे लगेगा कि आपने डिज़ाइन क्रिएट करी हुई है. जब आप कलर करोगे तब इसकी इफेक्ट समझ में आएगी. This is one way of giving a texture to your base. सब जगह पे कहीं कहीं स्टेंसिलिंग कर रही हूँ. इस तरीके से जब आप टेक्सचर पेस्ट यूज़ करते हो एंड इफ़ यू आर स्प्रेडिंग लाइक दिस, ये लुक भी बहुत अच्छा आएगा एंड इट विल गिव यू अ फिनिश्ड लुक. ये आप कोई भी फॉर्म में यूज़ कर सकते हो टेक्निक, बी डेकोपेज, मिक्स मीडिया, एनी आर्ट फॉर्म पे. आई विल जस्ट हीट सेट थोड़ा. Right now I am using a hair dryer, but you can use a heat tool to dry it, and it will dry very fast because I have just used thin layer. See this. How will you check आपका टेक्सचर पेस्ट सूखा है कि नहीं? by just placing your hand. अगर वो wet है तो that means it is not dried. It's a texture paste from Craftologer. See, white texture paste. It has already dried. Now I'll be doing here. I'm taking texture paste. See, Now the texturing part is done. We'll just dry it. If you notice, my already the texture paste is dried. मैंने बहुत thick layer नहीं लिया है, इसके लिए ये instantly dry हो चुका है. It's dried. Now we'll start sticking the embellishments. Then again we'll do with the black color, black gesso or black color, whatever you have, you can use that. Now what I'll be doing it, I'll be sticking this lace. This I have done black gesso to the lace. Right now you won't be able to see the effect. It will be visible once you do the coloring. I am sticking this with glue gun and all. I am right now using glue gun because this will make my work more easy and fast. You have to make sure that your heat gun is very hot, because then only your wooden embellishment will stick properly, as there are layers of colors and texture to the base. In the back, I am just sticking this base and covering it up. Your back should also be a bit worked. It should not be empty. So now what I'll be doing is I'll start with the arrangement. All the materials are available, and this molds are also available with Crafterlogger, and even she sells the embellishments also. See, now almost my this side work is been completed. On sharing the video maximum. Don't worry about the whiteness which is being seen right now and which goes beneath the embellishments. I will shift my base as I am working on this section. These are all small things which you can use it and decorate your stuff, and जब article बनकर निकलता है तो it is worth the time which you have spent it. Baljit ji are available with Crafterloggers. She has a huge range of material. You will get it from her. All the links are being shared. Once the video is completely completed, आप उनसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. If you notice, मैंने मेरे बेस को जहाँ पे मैंने एम्बलिशमेंट्स लगाई भी है उस बेस की तरफ भी मैंने रखा हुआ है with pressure. There is no harm in it. एंड डोंट वरी विद द ग्लूगन की जो रेशे और ये सब आ रहे हैं, उसका भी आप टेंशन मत लो, बिकॉज दैट इज ऑल्सो व्हेन यू ड्राई इट इज गोइंग टू गिव वन काइंड ऑफ अ टेक्सचर. I'll show you how you can give textures with glue gun also. In some of the areas I'll be doing that. Swanidhi, in some part I'll be using art natural stones using glue gun. See, can you see? I'll be putting glue sticks dots and I will put this here and I'll just dab it. Once you do this, after the coloring is done, you will realize the texture, how it is giving. I am just randomly putting the glue mark and I am putting this natural art stones. See, I am removing the extra part. Are you able to see? I am not using it in much areas. See, I am just sprinkling some parts. On the back we don't need to give again a coat of gesso because it's already there. So now we'll start with the gesso part again. I am again giving a color to the place whiteness है. अब आप ये पूरे बेस को कलर ब्लैक कर देना. Either you use black chalk paint or you use black gesso. कहीं कहीं थोड़ी whiteness दिखेगी तो it's okay, because end of the day it is again going to be colored. The same way, if you want to make a colorful base, then you can use white gesso and you can use the whole technique. Same way, the technique is going to be the same. Instead of black gesso, you use white gesso. If you notice, I have done the whole piece black again. आपको flat brush लेना है and करना है ये black coloring. See this, जहाँ मैंने stones लगाए हैं. I will show you how to give texture with glue gun once this is dried. You see, can you see how roughly I am using this? And कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. I am literally dabbing my brushes. And कोई डैमेज नहीं हो रहा है इसको. No, you can't use water in the gesso because gesso is a primer. आप पानी कभी भी यूज नहीं कर सकते. अगर आपने नोटिस किया हुआ होगा, मेरे ब्रशेज आर ऑलवेज ड्राई. मिक्स मीडिया में आप अवॉइड करिए पानी का यूजेज, बिकॉज इट्स अ लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. अगर आपको ये प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्ग रन के लिए रखना है, यू कांट यूज वाटर. पीपल हु आर गोइंग टू डू मैक्सिमम शेयरिंग will get a surprise from Craftalogger. I never get my heat tool handy, so generally I use hair dryer, but you can use heat tool also for this thing. See this. While I am dabbing the brushes, it will go in the grooves of the laces and the design will be created. This lace technique can be done in decoupage also. Craftalogger has ranges, wide beautiful range of laces too. Using flat brush so that my work is done easily and fast. Design is being done with black gesso. So now I will set this and then I will show how to use glue gun and give a texture. Distance, I am not keeping it close by. The reason is मुझे सिर्फ थोड़ी सी हीट उसको देनी है, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा हीट नहीं देना है. Giving texture with glue gun. How you can give texture with glue gun? See, my glue gun is hot, so now I am just randomly doing this, tapping it. This right now you won't understand, but once this is dried and once the color is there, you will understand how it is going to give a texture. This mixed media work can be done on diaries, on pen stands, everywhere. And trust me, it looks beautiful. When you dry, you will see the fibers which are removed. It stays due to the heat and it gives a texture. So now we'll wait for 2 minutes. Since I have heat set it, तो ये chances है कि गर्म रह सकता है. So it is better wait for 2 minutes and then do a gesso on it. On the glue part, I'll be doing black gesso again. And you get this beautiful texture with glue gun. Craftalogger has wide range of tissue papers, chalk colors. They are coming up with many new products at a very economical rate. I would suggest at least you try their colors, chalk colors. They are very lovely and their chalk colors are used for resin work also. I have tried it myself. Now we'll start with the coloring part. We'll be using your dry brushing technique, and here we are using Craftalogger's new brush, which is used for dry brushing, for painting. In this I'll be using their chalk colors, Oriental Blue, Snow White color, Army Green, and for highlighters I will be using Royal Gold metallic chalk paint. So what I am doing is I'll be removing, see this, the consistency of their colors. I'll be removing side. तो पूरा black इसके लिए किया because I need to give a dry shading. अगर आप स्टार्टिंग से जब वीडियो देखोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा मैंने क्यों इसको ब्लैक कलर किया हुआ है। एंड ब्लैक मैंने जेसो किया हुआ है। अगर आपको पूरा ब्लैक, इफ यू डोंट हैव ब्लैक जेसो, आपको चॉक कलर यूज करना है। सी, आई हैव रिमूव्ड कलर्स हियर, ब्लू, ग्रीन एंड वाइट कलर। एंड अब मैं अपने ब्रश को इसमें लोड करूंगी एंड आई विल जस्ट गिव अ डैब। मैं ड्राई ब्रशिंग करूंगी। सो आई एम जस्ट लोडिंग इट एंड रिमूविंग द एक्सेस कलर। एंड जो एरिया मुझे जहाँ कलर चाहिए मैं वहाँ उसे लगाते जा रही हूँ। राइट नाउ यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू सी द ब्लू कलर, that you will come to know once the whole project is ready. But if you see, I am just giving a tone of the color and just doing a dry shading. Now I am just taking my white color and you see, can you see the place where I have done blue and उसके ऊपर मैं ड्राई शेडिंग कर रही हूँ ऑफ वाइट. So how I am getting a lighter tone texture. I am just moving my hand very lightly. And some part where I have to highlight it more, मैं वहाँ इसको ज़्यादा लगा रही हूँ. Still I have not taken the third color. I am just working right now with two colors, that is blue and white. And I am just doing a dry shading. Again I have taken a blue color and I am putting the tone on it. If you see, I have just given a dry shading. Now first I will be completing with the blue and this tones, blue and white tones. Then I will be going with the other tone. So now here if you see, I am just giving a dry shading. I am giving it on the inner part also, just like this. Randomly I am giving an inner stroke. I have not loaded my colors also. Can you see the texture which has been given with the glue gun? These are very basic techniques done in mixed media. See, can you get this a denim look?
Now again I'm
Taking a white and giving a dry shading. Blending brush is superb. I loved it because it is not a pain to your fingers also. It is so light and so smooth. And here if you see, I am just doing it randomly. I have not lifted my brush so that there are no stroke marks. Thanks Saiba to give me an opportunity. See, if you see, I am just giving dry shading and I am blending my colors. In mixed media, if you use wisely, your colors are hardly being used. If you use it in a very nice way, it's hardly something. But your articles look lovely. See, now again will come up this side. Still I have just used two colors. I have not even used my third color. This is only two colors and you are getting this effect. You can use the color palette of your choice and you can create beautiful mixed media projects. See, if you see, I am just highlighting the wings of the birds, the doors, the side effect which we did. I am just removing the excess color from my brush and just doing a dry shading. Now I'll be going with the third tone, that is the green color. I am blending and removing the excess color. Can you see the shade of green coming in? Can you see? You can use varnish. We generally do Ecuador varnish. You can use your choice of varnish what you are using. It's not compulsion. The products are worth the amount. See, here I am giving a slight shade of green also. I have purposely given this designs here. If you don't like it, you should not give that designs. I am pressing my brushes at that particular area and giving this kind of designs. Now again I am taking a white and I am putting it on the areas where I have done green, so that my green is also highlighted in some or the other areas. If you like the video, please do share. I will take the golden metallic color, royal gold metallic chalk paint, and I have removed the excess here, and I will be doing the highlighting part with this colors. See. Crafter Logger has the embellishments also. So if you don't want to invest on the molds, you can directly buy the embellishments from them. Can you see? And here I am just giving a slight shade so you can see the background stenciling also. See this. I am just doing a dry shading. Now this is a golden color where I am highlighting the elements in some selected areas. In mixed media, when you do the dry shading technique, it works superb. You can see the design of the lace also, it is visible. All the textures which are there on these things is also visible. Not just one or two, but I have given with all the colors which I have been used. Got it? I am giving the shade 1 on 1. In some areas I am giving a golden, a darker tone, and some I have just giving a dry shading. If you feel that you are not happy with the coloring or anything, you still want to change it, what else you can do is you can again black gesso the whole thing. See, can you see? You can black gesso the whole thing and again start working. It is just you can't change the arrangement, but you can change the coloring.
See, can you see?
I am just giving a strokes of colors here so that it looks even. The project is complete. Did you like? Or I didn't understood. If you want to use it, you can use the varnish. You always have to select 2 or 3 colors. Don't use much colors for in mixed media. Use maximum 2 colors. If you are using yellow or orange, take yellow and white. Or if you are using orange, take orange and white. And one contrast color so that it breaks the scheme which you are putting. Right now I have used blue and white and green. So we have completed. Thank you for watching the video. Please share to maximum people you can. Thank you.